Welcome to the 3Motional channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Lightroom CC, where we'll explore the exciting process of importing presets and unlocking the power of solo mode. Get ready to enhance your photos as we delve into the intricacies of exposure and contrast. Join us on this creative journey as we unravel the secrets of Lightroom CC and take your editing skills to the next level. Let's get started. Start by downloading the Lightroom presets you want to import. Presets typically come in a.xmp or .lertemplate file format. Then launch Lightroom CC on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version of Lightroom CC installed. Click on the Develop module at the top right of the Lightroom CC interface. This is where you can apply and manage presets. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the Presets panel. If it's not visible, click on the triangle icon on the left to expand the panel. Right-click, Windows, or Control-click, Mac, anywhere within the Presets panel, and a context menu will appear. From the menu, select Import. In the Import dialog box, navigate to the location where you saved the downloaded preset files. Select the presets you want to import. You can select multiple presets by holding down the Shift or Control key, Windows, or the Shift or Command key, Mac, while clicking on the presets. Once you've chosen the presets you want to import, click the Import button in the dialog box. Lightroom CC will then import the presets into your library. After the import process is complete, you'll find the imported presets in the Presets panel. They will be organized into folders based on their file structure. Expand the folders to view the individual presets. To apply a preset to your photo, select the image in the Library module or Develop module, then click on the preset you want to use in the Presets panel. The preset will be applied to the selected photo, adjusting its settings based on the preset. Solo mode in Lightroom CC is a powerful feature that allows you to focus on one specific adjustment slider at a time. When solo mode is enabled, only the active adjustment slider remains visible, while the rest are temporarily hidden. This helps you concentrate on fine-tuning a particular aspect of your photo without distractions. To activate solo mode, simply right-click on any adjustment slider and select Solo Mode from the context menu. Once activated, you can freely adjust the active slider, and the others will automatically hide. This way, you can precisely control the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, or any other adjustment without cluttering your workspace. Solo mode brings simplicity and clarity to your editing process, enabling you to make precise adjustments with ease. Give it a try in Lightroom CC and experience a streamlined editing workflow that allows you to focus on perfecting every detail of your photos. Exposure refers to the brightness or darkness of your photo. In Lightroom CC, you can adjust the exposure to make your image brighter or darker. To do this, locate the exposure slider in the basic panel of the Develop module. Dragging the slider to the right increases the exposure, making the image brighter, while dragging it to the left decreases the exposure, making the image darker. Find the right balance to achieve the desired look for your photo. Contrast defines the difference between light and dark areas in your photo. It helps create depth and visual interest. In Lightroom CC, you can adjust the contrast to make your image more vibrant and impactful. The contrast slider can be found in the basic panel as well. Moving the slider to the right increases contrast, enhancing the distinction between lights and darks, while moving it to the left reduces contrast, resulting in a softer, more muted look. Experiment with different levels of contrast to find the perfect balance for your photo. Understanding and manipulating exposure and contrast can significantly enhance the overall look and feel of your images. Use these tools in Lightroom CC to bring out the details, create a desired mood, and make your photos visually compelling. Thank you for joining us on this Lightroom CC adventure. We hope you found our tips on importing presets, solo mode, and mastering exposure and contrast helpful. Now, armed with these techniques, go forth and unleash your creativity. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and editing insights. Until next time, happy editing and farewell.